Hi guys, welcome back to Lexus Expensive Fix. So today's video I'm gonna show you the best tools you can scan your car. Is really cheap, and that one it can scan your transmission, EBS, and all the module on your car, and it can reset all the lights, even resets the battery light, or reset the tire pressure, reset the oil service, and it can do all this job. It's not that expensive, but they work fine. Let's work on it. I'll show you how to work on it and what's how you do it to reset all these models. You can check all the models, see what's going on to the car. Let's go and we'll check everything. As soon as you plug it like that, the car is gonna start scanning the car and see what's going on there. Okay, so press this one in the middle. So I have no zero engine lights on, but to check your, most people doesn't know, to check your ABS system or check your transmission system, what you have to do, go to the middle one here, press it, and make sure you go to all module scan. So like that you can scan everything: transmission, ABS system, airbag system, or tire pressure system, or oil service system. Anything wrong, the car's gonna go. So we're gonna escape it down like that, escape it down, all the module, and we gotta press yes. Sorry about that. So and see yes, scan everything. So that process, you gotta scan everything in my car and then see everything what's going on. If you have any issue, if this one I have able to can reset the lights, or if something wrong we have to go fix it, then we can reset the light from this one. So I don't need to keep my car to a big shop to scan it and see what's going on. Gonna cost me the same price to buy the tools. So why not to buy the tools and use it like that? We can scan the car anytime I want. And make sure guys you got the line like that with this one here, they disconnected, because sometimes they go bad. So this why I got this one here, the same like a laptop. And even this one has, this one you can put in the computer, like they can get all information whatever you have on the scan, and you get all the the issue directed to your laptop, and you can figure out what's the issue. I've been working on these tools way long time ago, and we work really good. I reset the tire pressure with the airbag system, reset a lot of stuff, and this really cheap and work really good. Just got the brand, the same brand, and it gets 5410. And this one has a Bluetooth too. You can connect it to your phone. It comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's wait until we charge everything. You gotta be look for all the module in the car, and we'll see what's happened to my car. Okay guys, so charge now. So we gotta check what's going on. So I have 5 mode. So first one, airbag. This one last time I could reset it because I removed the seats. So have this one here, this called this module here, that press it. So have a wheel speed sensor error because I drift the car last time. So to reset this code, you have to go to red button here, and press yes, reset it. Okay. Okay, you see, it gets reset. Easy. The only tools you have to find the tools like that. You can go directly to the transmission and everything there. Okay, they have another code here. Let's see this one. So U1000s. So U1000s guys. So let's reset it too. Let's see. Go to red button and reset the code. Could be an error code because, let's see. Okay, see, I will set the code. So this tools, it resets the U1002. Go more, go to the side. So it always press this one here to go back, and that's it. I reset everything. Let's try airbag, if I can reset airbag too, because I try what other tools doesn't work. You guys resets. Let's try reset it. You see, I cannot reset this airbag light because you have to do something in the seats. Yeah, easy guys, easy job for this one. Is the really good tools. And yeah, let me know guys in the comments if you like these tools. Buy one of this and you gotta see, you can reset everything you want. And even you have live data, they have live data and stuff like that. Whatever you want, they have in these tools. Easy do. And you can plug it to your phone. If you don't want to use the tools directly from you, you can use your phone and you'll work on the car easy. Even you can drive and do like live data, and it's really good tools. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.